What's going on, guys? It's your boy Vibes bringing you a brand new video on Dogecoin. So Dogecoin has been looking quite interesting to me lately. I did expect Dogecoin to correct a very big correction, which it did actually hit exactly on the dot at 42 cents, which is kind of crazy. I did draw this channel that we are in for quite a while, and what it seems like to me is if I draw a trend line going to the downside, it does look like Dogecoin just broke out of that trend line. So in my personal opinion, I do see that Dogecoin might have a future to the upside. We did see this rejection on the 1 hour time frame with this huge wick, but that's something you honestly see a lot with Doge. But it does seem to have maintained some type of support above the 200 EMA. So as long as we can close above this 200 EMA and start having some bullish momentum to the upside, I do see us reaching potentially new all-time highs. If I look at the daily time frame, you can see that for the last 10 days, we have just seen downside, and then finally today we saw a poke out of this trend line to the downside, which can indicate some bullish momentum picking up. We do see this volume spike. This is a very good bullish indicator that we might see upside. If I look at a 4 hour time frame, we did close this candle above this 50 EMA, and we are trying to hold above this 50 EMA. If we do hold above this, I do see us making a run to possibly test this resistance near 7 cents. And if we can break this resistance and hold above this 7 cents line, I do see us rising and breaking this all-time high. But we do need to establish some type of support. Right now Dogecoin is on the rails and it needs to establish some type of strong support. As you see this huge momentum to the downside, just downside. Now we finally got some hope to continue going up. On the 4 hour RSI, we have been a bit oversold, and finally you see this downwards pressure and you see the RSI starting to level out, which does indicate to me some bullish sentiment, some bullish divergence, and we could see upside. So Dogecoin right now is it's just a little too early to speculate anything, but right now this does look pretty bullish. If we can get this 55 above this 200 EMA on the 1 hour chart, I do see us testing this 7 cents for sure, and then retesting this all-time high. And if we can retest this and bounce back and establish some higher support around 8 cents, I do see us breaking these all-time highs and maybe seeing anywhere from 10 to 20 cents. You never know in this type of market. So that's my technical analysis on Doge. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, smash that like button. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.